What is going on, Ape Nation? So listen, a lot has been going on. There's a lot that we need to talk about. I'm a little sad about making this video, but I have to make it for you guys because you know that I have to keep it real. So I'm going to have to tell you the truth. I'm going to have to tell you what the heck is going on. Before I do though, I need you guys to go ahead and smash that thumbs up button so that the YouTube algorithm shares this video with as many apes as possible. And for the love of God, if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and do so because you're only doing yourself a favor. If you do so, you're not helping me out by any means. Anyhow, so here's the thing. I've been watching YouTube a little bit on my days off on the weekend because normally I don't make videos on the weekend, so that's my time off. So I, like to watch videos on YouTube, and I watch other YouTubers that are making videos about AMC stock. And when I see those videos, it makes me very sad. It makes me want to cry. I usually shed a tear, even though I don't want to, but it makes me so freaking sad that these idiots, these other YouTubers, are lying to you guys. Not only are they lying, they're spreading FUD. They're talking crap. They're not telling the freaking truth. So that's why I'm here, to tell you the truth, because I am the man that will tell you the truth, okay? Times are freaking tough right now, okay? There's a lot of stuff going on. We got the Fed, Jerome Powell. We got the Russian-Ukraine war. We got other freaking things going on that aren't going to make it easy for us, okay? But if you've been a subscriber to this channel, if you've been listening to what the hell I've been saying this entire time, every time I've published a video, then you already know. By the way, this is a good time to subscribe if you're not, because, because I tell you the truth. Now, if you haven't been listening to me, it's about time to start listening to me because I've only been telling you for a long ass time, okay? We're in danger right now. Temporarily, only temporarily, okay? The stock might go down. Hell, who the hell am I kidding? The stock will more than likely go down even more. But here's the problem for the hedge funds, for Ken Griffin, but not for us, okay? The fundamentals of the company are improving. I've only said this in like 100 other freaking videos. No, I can't point out every single video I've said this in, but the freaking fundamentals are improving. Take a look at the last earnings statement, okay? Everything's improving. Everything's good, but yet the stock, well, I can't say it's dropping because it's kind of just stagnant right now. The stock price ain't going up, and I know a lot of you are like, well, why isn't the stock going up? It should be going up. We need to MOASS. We can't MOASS overnight, y'all. Wake the freak up, okay? This isn't about the MOASS happening today, tomorrow, next week, next month. I don't know when the hell it's going to MOASS. I can't give you that answer. If I could, I would, but I can't. Because the truth is that no one can give you that answer. We don't know when we're going to MOASS, but we know that one day we will. And if you believe in this company like I do, if you're still holding strong, if you're a true ape, if you're a real freaking ape, then you already know it's going to happen, okay? Do you want to be rich? Do you want to be semi-rich? Or do you just want to be middle class? Maybe you're okay with just being middle class. And if you're middle class material, then I understand. Go ahead and sell that right now, okay? I got people challenging me, questioning me in my comment section, asking me for, hey, can we see your position? Hell no, you can't. You should just trust me, you little bastards. I'm not showing you my position because you'd get jealous. Okay, that's a total joke. It's not a total joke. Some people are questioning me and my loyalty to AMC stock. Maybe you should just go back and check the freaking videos I've been putting out, you freaking idiots. Not everybody, just the idiots that are questioning me, okay? Listen, I've told you, a-holes, those that are questioning me, that, yeah, times are going to get rough. We're going to experience some tough times. The stock will come down. But it's not just AMC stock. It's the entire stock market. I've only been saying this like forever on my freaking channel, okay? Because we've kind of been in this position for a long time. Now, I understand. Some of you are frustrated disappointed, pissed off because you're not rich yet. How the hell do you think that I feel? I want to be rich. I don't want my freaking portfolio dropping. Do you understand how much money I've lost? Okay? But I haven't lost that dadgum money because I haven't sold out of my position yet. So, in all reality, I haven't lost anything. I'm just down. Just like the rest of you are. So never question me again. Never talk crap to me. And never doubt what the hell I'm telling you guys. Because this is not my first rodeo. I've seen this happen time and time again. I've seen stocks go down. And I didn't sell. Okay, this was in the past. Had I sold, I would have lost a crap load of money. I would have been broke. I would have been living at your mama's house. Okay? Begging you to buy me a freaking 99-cent burger from McDonald's or whatever. Something off the dollar menu because I know you guys are broke too. But yet, I held my positions back then and made my money. That's why I'm at where I'm at today. And the same thing is going on again. Because this is cyclical. This is going to repeat itself. It does not matter what stock you're in. But in our situation right now, we're talking about AMC stock. Okay? This is an opportunity of a lifetime. I bought AMC stock. I got lucky. I was fortunate enough to get in while the getting was good. Okay? And yes, I'm down on my position. I'm still, sitting here at a profit. Not by much. I'm not profiting by much. If I sold today, I would still be, making a profit off of it. Not by much. Not much of a profit that I would be taking. But Jesus Christ, good Lord, it's better than taking a loss. But you know what? I'm a freaking ape. I'm not going to let you down because I know you're not going to let me down. So I have not sold my position. But it's hard. It's hard every single freaking day when I wake up and I look at my freaking account and I see where the hell it was and now where it's at right now. It's freaking insane. It's tearing me apart. But I know because this isn't my first rodeo like I just said. I don't mean to reiterate myself. But I know because I've been through this before. That's why I'm talking to you today. Because I know that some of you have not been through this before. Some of you thought that the getting was just always going to be good. Some of you bought in at the wrong freaking time. And are just like, oh my gosh, I thought this would explode in MOASS by now and now I'm losing money. Well, hell, man. Look, it's not always easy. Okay? Not everything that's worth doing is easy. Because if it was easy, then it wouldn't be worth doing, if you catch my drift. You have to continue staying true to your conviction. Hold the damn stock, okay? Things will improve. It's going to take time. And if I have to be completely honest and transparent with you guys, because I hate to be one of those assholes that lies to you and tell you, oh, it's just going to go up. It's whatever. It's not going to continue to go up at this time. In my opinion, it could. I could be freaking wrong, and I hope that I am. Okay? Because I'm holding shares just like you assholes are. But here's the deal. I think it's going to come down some more. I think it has to come down. But that doesn't change anything. That does not change the reason that you bought this freaking stock. Okay? It will eventually recover. It will bounce back. We will become freaking filthy freaking rich. There's nothing more there's nothing more, okay, that I want than to be freaking insanely freaking rich. And I know that's what you want too, because we're greedy, filthy freaking apes. But sometimes it's not easy. You have to go home, eat more bananas, and wait for this to happen. And I hate to be the asshole that tells you this. I wish I was like Trace Trades and Matt Kors and Lou from Wall Street, that you could just make some bullshit up and tell you guys and have you watching me and paying me all this goddamn YouTube money because I'm lying to your asses, but I can't do that. I'm being honest, okay? I'm not Lou from Wall Street. I'm not the Ape father or the rest of those assholes. I'm telling you the truth. It's probably going to come down. It will come down more, okay? I'm freaking almost certain of it. It will come down more. But if you sell, then you're trying to time the market. And if you're trying to time the freaking market, I feel sorry for you, buddy. Because I've tried to time the market before. And you better be damn good if you're trying to time the market, because it doesn't always work out well for you. So if you've been holding for this long, if you've taken these losses, okay, whether it's, cutting into your profits or whether you're taking actual freaking losses, listen, you're already there. So why sell now? Continue holding it. I'm not a financial advisor, because I've seen some assholes in my damn comment section, which is why I'm so inspired to make this video, because these assholes keep talking shit. I don't like it. I don't appreciate it. But if these assholes that probably already sold out are in here talking shit, well, I'm going to address it. Look, if you want to hold. If you don't want to hold, then don't. If you want to miss out on a fortune, okay, then go ahead and sell your shares. I don't give a shit. I'm not you. All I can tell you guys about is what I'm doing. I'm going to continue holding because I want to be filthy freaking rich. I don't want to be semi-rich. I don't want to be middle freaking class. I want to be rich as rich can freaking possibly be. It's just going to take a little bit of time. But I'm patient. I'm a patient daggum man. And I'm ready to get rich as freaking hell. I'm ready to, for this stock to take me to the promised land. It may not be with Adam Aaron. It may not be in 2022 or 2023 or 2024. I don't know when the hell it's going to happen. All I know is that it will happen. There are some other factors, okay, intervening with, what the hell is going on right now. But you bastards better believe that one day I'm going to be filthy rich. And those of you that are holding with me will be rich with me. Those are you that are like, oh, well, I don't know. Well, I've been listening to Lou from Wall Street or these other YouTubers. Well, I don't know what to do. I'm sorry for you guys.